everyone. Tonight I'll be making Doritos Taco Bake. What all goes into the Doritos Taco Bake? 1 can, 8 ounces, refrigerated crescent rolls, a 1 pound lean ground beef. This is a 3-pound package, so I'll be using 1/3 of it. 1 1-ounce package taco seasoning, 1 cup jarred salsa, 1 8-ounce carton of sour cream. This is 24 ounces, so I'll be using 1/3 of it. 1 1/2 cups shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 to 3/4 bag of Doritos crushed. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 350. Take a large skillet, put in your 1 pound of lean ground beef, and brown it. I have made this once before, back when my daughter had surgery and Dave and I went to go take care of the household. I cooked every day so she didn't have to do that. And I found this recipe and I made this for her and everybody loved it. So I did drain it. There's 93%, so it didn't have a whole lot of grease to it anyway. So add your taco seasoning and your 1 cup of salsa. Now this doesn't call for any salt and pepper, but you sure can add some if you'd like. After you get this all stirred in, reduce the heat and simmer for 5 minutes. So take your crescent rolls, and again it is wet, so I'm not expecting it to come out real nice and clean. And that just popped all by itself and I jumped a mile. But you want to use it as a sheet, not as crescents. So this will be interesting. Just lay that out flat. You want to have this lightly greased and then just kind of stretch it out and pinch all the seams. It's not going to fill the full 9 by 13 pan, I don't believe. I had better crescent rolls, I think, when I made it before. All right, that looks pretty good. This one doesn't want to seam up real well, but the rest of them look pretty good. After your meat mixture has simmered for 5 minutes, put it on top of the crescent rolls. I'm doing this just like the recipe says, but there's so many ways that you can make this your own. You can add onions if you want to, and then after it's done, you can top it with more cheese, top it with more sour cream. You can even top it with tomatoes. I think tomatoes would be good. Anything that you would put on a taco, you can add on here if you would like. Then we're going to take the sour cream and I'm going to spread that on all over the top of the meat. And you're not going to be able to do that without mixing the meat with the sour cream. It will smear and not look real perfect, at least not for me anyway. And just kind of give it a little spread, just so most of it has sour cream on it. Not look real pretty, but it will be tasty. Then add your 1.5 cups of cheese on top of that, more or less to your preference. Then add your 1/2 to 3/4 of a bag of Doritos on top of that. And then put that in a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. So here's the Dorito Taco Bake, and rounding out the meal is jasmine rice. Let's see what Dave thinks. Does that taste familiar to you?
Yeah.
We had it when we went to Stephanie's.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the Doritos Taco Bake.
Okay. Well, I liked it then, and I like it now.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.